Hello and welcome. Today we are going to read The Adventures of Abney and Teal, and the story is called Bob's Hiccups. It's a brisk and blowy day in the park, just right for running and chasing. The Pop-Pocs are chasing Nip, Abney is chasing the Pop-Pocs, and Teal is trying to catch the wind. Woohoo! Oops! Pock-Pock! Trip-Pock! Nip! Wahey! But you can't see the wind, Teal, says Abney. Can you catch something you can't see? You can see it when it blows something, calls Teal. Look! Nip! Gulp, gargle. Bob is trying to enjoy a cup of tea. Oh dear, are you alright, Bob? Asks Abney. Bob stays completely still for a moment, then out hiccups a bubble. Hic! Then another bubble and another. Bob has had hiccups before, but this is an entirely new kind of hiccup. Hic! Whoa! Woohoo! Nip! The papery bubbles are coming thick and fast. The wind catches them and waves them about. Come on, Costia, let's chase them. These are the best bubbles I've ever seen, shouts Teal. And look, points Abney. Every time Bob hiccups, he makes a wave as well as a bubble. It's true, Bob is making waves. Hooray, let's paddle, cries Teal. Nip, splish, splash. Ooh, oh dear. Look out, Abney, calls Teal. Here comes a big one. My goodness, that was a big wave, laughs Abney. Let's go again, says Teal. I'll get my umbrella. Hic! Teal's umbrella makes a wonderful boat. Everyone has a splashing time playing in the waves. Nip, brilliant, hee hee. But now, Bob's hiccups and bubbles and waves are coming so fast that he's starting to look a bit uncomfortable. Hic! Oh dear, says Abney. This is not very good. I think Bob should stop hiccuping now. Maybe if we blow the waves back the other way, they will wash away his hiccups, suggests Teal. Good idea, says Abney. Nip, Pock. So Abney, Teal, the Pop-Pocs, and Nip all stand on the shore and blow at the waves to send them back towards Bob. And the wind blows too. Whoosh! Has it worked? Everybody waits. No hiccups, no hiccups, no hiccups. Plop! No hiccups. Achoo! Poor Bob must have got water up his nose, giggles Teal, but at least his hiccups have stopped. Bob has a nice cup of tea and a little rest. That was an adventure, wasn't it, Abney? Then says Teal, pleased. Yes, smiles Abney, it was. The end. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story. Goodbye.